Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Huawei Y7p versus the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, and both phones comes with the same Huawei Kirin 710F chipset with 4 GB of RAM, and also both phones comes with a triple cameras on the back. We have a 16 megapixel main sensor on the Y9 Prime 2019 versus a 48 megapixel main sensor on the Huawei Y7p. And guys, this is the Aurora blue color, looks very beautiful in different lighting condition. This is my favorite that I found in Y7p series. And also we have a midnight black color on the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. And also sorry for guys for the audio quality, it is so much echo right now. Like always, let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And logo came up first, little bit faster on the Y7p, followed by the Y9 Prime 2019. And we have a Huawei logo on both phones. And Y7p comes with a punch hole display versus a pop-up selfie camera, and you can see about the same on both phones, no difference there. Very interesting result. And guys, you can see we have a punch hole display versus a Huawei full view display. It means we don't have any notch or any hole on the Y9 Prime 2019 because this phone comes with a pop-up selfie camera. And you can see it is a really unique feature on the Y9 Prime 2019, but I don't like the pop-up selfie camera. I like the punch hole instead of the pop-up selfie camera. Both phones comes with the IPS LCD display. We have a 720p resolution on the Y7 Prime versus a full HD IPS LCD display on the Y9 Prime 2019. So let's see the app's opening speed. So everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background. And also we have a Google Play services on the Y9 Prime 2019 versus a Huawei mobile services on the Y7p. We don't have any Google apps right out the box, but we have a Huawei app gallery which is very similar to the Google Play Store. Almost all the application is available for the Huawei app gallery. We're gonna start off by basic stuff. First application I'm gonna launching is the phone dialer on both phones. Here we go, and that is feels like a little bit faster on the Y7p, followed by the Y9 Prime 2019. Let's see the settings, and again a little bit faster on the Y7p. Let's open up the mic lock on both phones, and about the same on both phones, no difference there in the mic lock application. Let's see the calendar, and that is faster on the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. So let's opening up the calculator, and again about the same on both phones, no difference there. So let's launch some more apps, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. We have Facebook, and that is faster on the Y7p, followed by the Y9 Prime 2019. So let's see the Amazon shopping on both phones, boom, and launching at the same time. And Y7p this time is again faster there, followed by the Y9 Prime 2019. Let's see the Instagram, and about the same on both phones. Let's opening up the Snapchat, and that is faster on the Y9 Prime 2019. And you can see we have Snapchat won't run without Google Play services, which are not supported by your device. You can see we don't have any Google services on this device. Let's opening up the Spotify, and that is a little bit faster on the Y9 Prime 2019, followed by the Y7p. Let's opening up the Twitter, and again a little bit faster on the Y9 Prime 2019, followed by the Y7p. Let's see the WhatsApp, and about the same on both phones. So let's only some games application, and let's see how much is difference between the Y9 Prime 2019 versus a Y7p, because both phones comes with the same Huawei Kirin 710F chipset. So let's opening up the Candy Crush Saga, and you can see about the same on both phones, exactly the same, which is obvious because both phones comes with the same chipset and same RAM size. Let's opening up the Subway Surfer, launching at the same time, and that is faster on the Y9 Prime 2019 instead of the Y7p. can see a little bit difference there. So last game application we have is the Temper 2. And case Huawei Y7p is faster there, while the Y9 Prime 2019 it is still taking some time, and now it is also done on the Y9 Prime 2019. And in some apps Y7p is faster. And last I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Here we go. And about the same on both phones, and in case we have a little bit different UI in the camera department. We have the filter effect which you don't see on the Y9 Prime. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Huawei internet browser versus a Google Chrome on the Y9 Prime 2019. So first website I'm gonna launching is the wikipedia.org. And also same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and I have to say a little bit faster on the Y9 Prime 2019. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see feels really smooth on both phones. Next on the list is the apple.com. Here we go. And the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 is faster there little bit than the Y7p. So let's see the scrolling, and you can see feels very smooth on both phones. Let's see the RAM measurement on both phones. Both phones comes with a 4 GB of RAM, and also both phones is on their latest software version. Let's see the phone dialer, that is not refresh. Let's see the settings, that is also not refresh. Let's see the mic lock, no refresh on both phones. Let's see the calendar, that is also not refresh. Let's see the calculator, that is also not refresh. And guys, you can see that both phones is automatically kill the remaining apps like Amazon and some more apps. So let's see the Instagram, refresh on both phones. The Snapchat, refresh again on both phones. Spotify, that is also refresh. Let's see the Twitter, seems like refresh. WhatsApp, that is only refresh on the Y9 Prime 2019. The Candy Crush Saga, refresh on both phones. The Subway Surfer. Now let's see the Temper 2, that is also refresh on both phones. Both phone does not keep apps in the background, and it also automatically kill the apps like Amazon Shopping or some another apps. Last we are back to the internet browser, that is also refresh on both phones. Overall I have to say that the app's opening speed is faster on the Y7p in system based application, but the game app loading time it is about the same on both phones. RAM measurement is absolutely bad on both phones. Right now both phones is on their latest software version. Subscribe to my channel for future content, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Huawei Y7p versus the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. Let me know what you guys think about this new Y7p, and I already done the unboxing of the Huawei Y7p. If you're interested, watch that on my channel, and follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.